This is where we're staying for this Boracay trip. This is the Fera Premier by JG and this is located sa City of Bulabog in Boracay Island. It's not a beachfront hotel but nindot siyang location, 7 minutes walk going to Bulabog Beach, around 5-minute walk going to Balabag Wetland Park, and konting kembot na lang guys and naanakadari sa D-Mall and the famous White Beach of Boracay. Going back to the hotel, this is how the lobby looks like, and pag abot pala namo, they welcomed us and gave us a complimentary drink. Pamparampa dyan ka diri guys, and for the bed, you can find it on the second floor. Super love the bed, it was so comfy, and you also get your own TV. And sa ubos, you can lounge in the sofa, naapoy mini working table, another smart TV, and if na kay mga food, naapot sila yung ref and microwave. Naapot siya nga corner, and as for the CR, sakto na ang iyang size, with complete toiletries, with bidet, and hot and cold shower. We haven't tried it, but they have an in-house restaurant, and next to this is their pool in case you want to swim. So if you're looking for a hotel in Boracay that's worth the bucks, go and check out the Fera Premier by JG, and until the next one.